Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2016 Nissan Qashqai. This is the 1.5 SV diesel model, finished in metallic paint. It's got a low on the road tax of €180 and it's taxed up until January 25. It'll be sold with a 2 years NCT. It's just in service here at McNally Motors and comes with 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork also. It's got the roof rails. It's got a nice size spacious boot. Fold down seats, traditional space. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats. Centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. Front armrest also. Panoramic glass roof. It's got electric windows. It's got electric fold-in mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions. Touchscreen radio with built-in CD player, satellite navigation, reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning with dual climate control, automatic handbrake. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, USB and aux port, and there's just over 118,000 kilometers on the clock. This Nissan Qashqai would make an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.